Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by securing your device and account. Back up to iCloud or Finder now so you can restore if needed. This protects your data. Next, enroll the same Apple ID in the Apple Beta software program or the developer portal and accept terms. Once done, check battery and free storage. Aim for 50% battery or connect to power and about 510 GB free. These steps prevent interruptions and make installations smoother, so complete them before downloading the beta profile. Now you'll install the beta profile and fetch the update. Download the correct profile, public versus developer, from Apple's site, then open it and follow prompts. Make sure you allow the profile in settings under General VPN and Device Management. Tap Install, enter your passcode, and tap Install again. Next, restart your device to finalize the profile. After reboot, go to Settings General Software Update, tap Download and Install, and monitor the download so you know when the device will restart to apply the beta. Finish by walking through the initial setup and confirming essential apps work. You should open Settings and review privacy and permissions changes. Test Wi-Fi, cellular, Bluetooth, and key apps. If something breaks, use Feedback Assistant to file a clear bug report with steps, screenshots, and logs. Should the beta be unstable, remove the beta profile and either restore from your backup or use recovery to reinstall the latest public iOS. This sequence gets you back to a stable system if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.